Hey, I'm Troubleshoot. In this quick guide, I'll show you Moose City, as well as how to find the Mystical Crate, the Weapon and Armor Crates, and of course, the Rift Anchor, which is where we'll be starting all the way up to the north of the town here. Heading across to this and heading F2 activated, we can start our journey here. This is a new style of video. I'll be speeding up where I travel through this video just so you can see exactly where to go. There may be slight cuts here and there. So first of all, the Weapon and Armor Crate. Head across to this building just to the west of you, over here. So this one here. We'll head across to the front side of it, and we'll head into this right door over here. So through this, and turning right, you'll see over here, all the way at the very end, we have the Weapon Crate over here. Inside of it, we get all of these things. Sweet. Throughout this building, you'll also find some more loot that's worthwhile checking, as well as the other buildings in this town as well. There's tons of loot to be found here. Don't forget to check cabinets and things like that, such as this one here. At the extreme opposite side of it, you'll find the Gear Crate here. So we're now on the far west side, and inside of it we get these items. Now if you want, there is another weapon crate that I'd recommend checking out. Just to the south of here, in this building over here, you'll have a quest to come across here, and when you do, inside of that far southmost building is where you'll find the second weapon crate. So we'll make our way safely down there, and after clearing out this mini area boss here, we should find that on the way to this southmost building, on top of this school bus here, you'll see this weapon crate over here. So if we open it up, these are what we get from it. Again, it's right about here. We just traveled south from the first building we were in. Then on top of this, there's another crate in here as well that is worth getting, which should be all the way down where this marker is, inside of this building here. We'll head down towards the front entrance, past the cutscene if you have one here, and inside of it, all the way at the very back, you'll find, just behind the counter here, another weapon crate over here, which has this inside, and a storage crate around the back. Now that we're done with collecting the crates in the area, if you have the quest to do, it'll reset the area, and of course you'll have yet another weapon crate to search just behind the counter, which is pretty huge, and another storage crate behind this. I don't think you can travel too far from this area during this little quest over here, but if you could, there's probably some more loot in the previous areas. So there we go, we finished the area dungeon, and taking our free extra crate if you have one available. For the Mystical Crate and the little parkour hidden crate, we can head across towards the main area where you've probably seen that big mamma jamma walking around. Just to the north of it, or the east of it rather, you'll see some scaffolding where we can find our little parkour chest. So just over here, if we head up this, you'll see at the very start over here, the little parkour puzzle begins. So I'll hop up here, touch this, it'll move up again, all the way until we get our Mystical Crate over here. This is like the hidden crate. It's not actually the Mystical Crate that we're looking for. That one is up this cake over here. The area boss isn't too difficult to take down. You could do it solo if you need. And as long as you dodge those little blasts, you should be fine. Going in for the extra melee damage when you can. Alright, so getting rid of the area boss. Not that that's required, I don't think. The crate should definitely be now if it wasn't there earlier. So we'll climb back up this once more, and all the way up to this top piece over here. When we climb up here, there's a scenic viewpoint, investigating, get 200 star chrome, and we can find our way up to the top. What we need to do is parkour or float across to one of these candles, jump, and jump again. So I'll do it straight to this one, and we'll jump here. Not that that's too necessary, and we'll jump up to the top. You could probably parachute to this point here, or wherever's closest. Anyway, at the very top you'll find the Mystical Crate, and once we loot it, this is what we get from the area. Pretty cool, and we've now completed it. So hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. My name's Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.